Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Today, we will be learning our second chapter, Parts of a Computer. The topics that we will be covering in this chapter are four main parts of a computer and other parts of a computer such as printer, microphone, speakers and CD. Children, our body is made up of different parts. Each part has a special work to do. Like our eyes help us to see this beautiful world. Our ears help us to listen to various sounds around us. We use our legs to walk and run, and our hands to pick up objects and do many more things. In the same way, a computer is made up of different parts which perform different tasks. All these parts together make a computer work. A computer basically has four main parts: monitor, keyboard, CPU, and the mouse. Children, this is a monitor. It looks like a TV screen. It shows the text typed in and the work done by us. It also displays the results. The monitor is an output device. Next part is the keyboard. A keyboard is an input device. It has many buttons which are called keys. A keyboard is used for typing letters, words, numbers, and special symbols. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. Children, which part of our body controls all the functions of our body? Yes, it is the brain. Similarly, functions of a computer are controlled by the CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. CPU is called the brain of a computer. It helps a computer to think and do all its work. It also helps a computer to remember things. All the other parts of a computer are attached to the CPU by wires. Next part is the mouse. A computer mouse has two buttons on it. It is used to point, move, and select any item on the computer screen or monitor. A mouse also helps us to draw pictures and play games. Students, a mouse can be of different types like two-button mouse and scroll mouse. A scroll mouse has a scroll wheel in the middle of left and right buttons. The scroll mouse is further divided into two types: ball mouse and the optical mouse. A ball mouse has a ball under it. This ball helps to move the mouse pointer on the screen. Whereas an optical mouse uses light instead of a ball for the movement of the mouse pointer. Apart from the four main parts, there are some other parts of a computer which can be attached to it for different functions. Let us see some examples. First one is the printer. A printer is used to print the text or pictures on a paper. It can print in black and white or color. The printed copy on a paper is called the hard copy. Some commonly used printers are dot matrix printer, inkjet printer, and the laser printer. Next is the microphone. A microphone is used to record our voice and different sounds into a computer. It also helps us to talk to our friends through the internet. Then we have the speakers. Speakers allow us to listen to music and hear the sound effects stored in a computer. We also have the headphones. Headphones are used to listen to music as well as recorded sounds without disturbing others. Another part is the CD, which stands for compact disc. A CD is round in shape. It is used to store a lot of information. It is a shiny disk that runs on a CD drive. The CD drive is fixed in the CPU. Then we have the hard disk. Hard disk is like a box which is fixed inside the CPU. It is used to store computer data. We can also store computer data in a pen drive. It is a small rectangular device that is used for transferring data from one computer to other. It is also called a flash drive, thumb drive, or jump drive. So, these are the various parts of a computer. This is all for today. Until we meet next time, stay home, stay safe, and keep learning.